All right, hello my third grade friends. I'm actually going to be showing you how to get into one of my assignments, and it's actually located, and I'm going to go through it step by step, so I want you to see. I'm going to go ahead and click here to get into my classroom. Once you are in my classroom, you need to go into classwork. All right, so here we are. We are in classwork now, and then I'm going to scroll down, and then I'm going to get to this part, making meaning with words. That's the assignment. Once you are there, making meaning with words, I want you to go ahead and click on this. And now you're going to see that I have this box here. This is making meaning with words. So here is a word right here, and this word, what you're going to do is that first you have to go and get the definition for this word. So in order to get this definition, you can always go into here and then just open a new page and then just type in the word demanding. And I am going to put in here definition. All right, once I go through this, it's going to be giving me the definition right here. It says that it is requiring much skill or effort. That's the meaning of it. So I can go back into my text and I can actually go back to making meaning right there. And then I can write the definition right here. The same one that I just read, I put it here. Now this part of speech, when I go back to the word demanding, and you see that it's still there. So you go back to the word demanding, you're gonna notice that right here, there's a word adjective. Adjective. That's the part of speech. So I am going to go back to my assignment, and then here the part of speech is going to be adjective. So you're going to write it right there, adjective, okay? I am not doing it for you because I want to make sure that you do it on your own, but I'm just giving you an example. Now, the sentence, you need to write a sentence of your own using the word demanding, and you must use it the way that is used right here. So demanding is actually an adjective, and so in this kind of if I see the ing, that gives me a clue that it is a verb. It's also a verb, so I can use this as an adjective or a verb. So if I use it as a verb, I have to make sure that I am including a noun in my sentence. So for example, my auntie Rose is very demanding. She's always asking me to put things away. So there it is. It's a sentence that I've used, and I'm using it as a verb. If I use it as an adjective, that's going to change because an adjective is a word that actually describes a noun. So you really have to be careful the way that you use the word, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the next step, which is the one that most students are having a difficult time, and that is with the picture. How am I going to insert a picture for demanding? Well, the same way that I went down to Google, this time I'm actually going to, you have the word there, so just get rid of definition. So I'm going to take away definition because now I'm just going to look at demanding. So I'm going to look at images right here, and then I'm going to look at a picture that looks like demanding. Let me see. I can't see a picture here. Let me look, and I'm gonna, sometimes you can't find it with the ing, but if you just take off the ing and then you just use demand, you're probably gonna see something. Oh, I love this picture. Now he is demanding right here. So demand, if you don't find it with the suffix, you can remove the suffix. I'm going to click on that picture, okay, because that's the picture that I selected. Now I'm going to double click with my two fingers. So I'm going to double click, and when I double click, you see this pops up. So I'm going to save image as, And then I'm going to go ahead and put the word demanding. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and save it now. So I have saved my image, and that's actually now saved in my documents. Okay, so let me show you again. I double click, 2 fingers, and then you save the image, and make sure that you put here the word, and it's going to go down to, oh, this one's going to go to downloads. Let me put it into documents. I want to make sure that I put it in documents. I think that's, for me, it's better. I'm going to go back and I'm going to change that into demanding. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. There it is. So now it's saved in my computer. So now I can actually go back to making meaning. I have making meaning right there. So once I come back to this, I'm ready to insert my picture. So this is where you need to go. You click on insert. Now click on image, and then you're going to click on upload from computer. When you do that, oh, there it is. I can see it right here. And sometimes you have to go to documents, or you can go to whatever file you actually saved this picture. So here it is. I'm going to open. And when I open, it's going to go right there. You see? So there's my picture now. Okay? So once you're done with all of these, you can actually go to the second picture. The second slide and so forth. Okay? So make sure that you do follow each step. All right? Okay. Have fun. Bye-bye.